What's poppin', guys? Sherrese and Nana back again with another video. Yes, sir. You know what I'm saying? You know what we gotta do at the beginning of these hairstyles, man. Split it down to half. You know what I'm saying? Make sure that part is clean, because that's a huge part. So if those parts ain't clean, man, those styles ain't gonna be clean. You know, Sherrese is an expert. She puts the gel through the middle. Then she goes again with the part comb, you know what I'm saying, for perfection. It's not a joke. Shout out to my hair, though. Look at that. All the black is starting to grow out. Said that my hair not too long ago. But yeah, she brushes it down. Puts one side up for later, you know what I'm saying? Save it up, pack it for later. Right. If you guys don't have a parting comb, you need to get one ASAP, because that's a must. Even for simple hairstyles that you undo on yourself, you know? Okay, you know what I'm saying? Look how straight that is. Like, you think she took a class in physics, right? She puts the gel through, you know what I'm saying? And she just starts twisting and twisting and twisting and coiling. And you see, the thing what she did here is, this is what makes this style very unique. She twisted it downwards. Look at those, like she's twisting it flat. That takes some skill. Now, tell me, have you ever seen this style before, man? This is different. Yeah, so it's just pretty simple. She just grabs the strand, make sure it's parted and there's a good amount of gel through. You just twist it in a downwards motion, right? And you kind of twist it, and like, maybe she can explain better.
A coil motion.
Twist it downwards in a coil motion. You heard it first from the expert. And she just going, you would think she did this in 10 minutes. Yep. Twist away. The reason why I like this hairstyle is it's one of the faster hairstyles, you know, and truthfully, even as a guy, you can learn to do this on yourself. You know, if you want to do even bigger ones, so it takes less time, just twist it downwards. You know, finger coils actually last very long, especially compared to other hairstyles. Very low maintenance, easy to do, and it's a cool look. Like, no one can hate on finger coils. So one thing here she does is, especially because the side was left for later, she has to make sure it's moisturized. So she sprays some water, you know what I'm saying? Look at that curl definition though with that gel. Hold up. Damn. All right, yeah, there you go. She's twisting that. She put some extra love and care in that one. Look at that. Yeah, she's twisting away. Add more gel.
Especially add more gel, especially around the ends of like the scalp where you're about to come off. And
so especially when the flat twist ends and it starts to hang, add more gel to that area just to make it have a symmetric blend. Okay. You know what I'm saying? She detangling that hair. Look at that. Okay, you know, she's gonna twist away. Hey, listen, man, if you don't know how to do finger coils, we have some videos. We're gonna tag it. Click those and learn how to do finger coils. They're very simple to do, man. If you want someone to braid your hair that's very accessible, this is a good style for you. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, we're about to get right, man. And this is with no trim too, you know what I'm saying? You know the trim changes the whole game, but yeah. Okay. I'm saying, ooh. So it's even fully dry, but look at that, very clean. That's the main point. And look at that hang time. This ain't even stretched, it's just coils. Look at that hang time, yeah. Oh, and guys, look at this. If I went to a wedding, I was the talk of the time with this hairstyle, man. Putting it to the back, especially when it's fully dry, so much better. Kind of gives off a dreads look. But anyways, thanks for watching. Peace.